One of the reasons why you lose money in trading is because of emotion. One of the reasons why you lose money in trading is because One of the reasons why you lose money in trading is because of emotion. One of the reasons why you lose money in trading is because What is going on? It's Jill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed your weekend. Let's check today what is happening with the overall crypto market. Where are we heading in the coming weeks? And S&P 500 trying to break out from the resistance as what we have discussed in the previous video. So let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market today. Crypto bubble. We have rose, very big bubble about to pop. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. We have also Shiba Inu 1.6%, but I think Shiba Inu is on correction right now. And let's check if is this just a correction or Shiba Inu is going to go back to the previous levels. We have also Trust Wallet. We have Luna Classic still going down. We have Gasama, we have LRC and CRV. We have also Gala showing up here. And let's check the fear and greed index today. What's the feeling of the overall retails and Still at 45, similar to last Saturday. So still at 45, but we are improving from extreme fear. Now we are only in the fear level, and if we're going to check it out here, we are almost in the middle, guys. So for me, this was the buy zone. Every time fear and greed index goes below 10, this is a automatic signal, buy signal for me, guys. So around this level, this is automatic buy signal for me. But right now we are in the middle. Fear and greed index is in the middle right now. So it's either going to proceed with the until the green level here, or are we going back to the extreme fear in the coming weeks? So let's watch out. Also, Mount Gox at the end of August are going to release 150,000 Bitcoin as a payment to their the victims of hacking before. So they're going to repay or release the payment for at around 150,000 Bitcoin. And let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. Last Saturday, it was almost 90% shorts are getting liquidated. Right now, in the past 24 hours, 63-70% around that number, mostly are in long positions, are getting liquidated. So let's check, is this just a correction, or are we going to see a break of trend for Ethereum and Bitcoin? And also we have here long and short position from CoinGlass. Let's check first BTC 15-minute time frame. Still a lot of short position here, 55% overall. And let's check 5-minute time frame. Interesting, 50%. That's 50-50 1 hour time frame. We have 51% in short overall. 4 hour, 50-50, past 24 hours, 50-50, almost equal. Only the difference is in the 15-minute time frame. The past 15 minutes, a lot has been shorting Bitcoin, almost 60%. Let's check first the news before we check and before I update you with some of the charts. We have here a final week. I don't have my monitor. 1 second, guys. Hi man, I'm feeling bullish today and every day. Sheep Army, Rachel Firma. We have also Shams. What's up, Shams? How's it going? We have also Ash from Discord. One of our VIPs are watching right now. Let me just turn on my monitor, guys. 1 sec. So I can see some of the chat messages. Right, 1 sec. Okay, going back, let's check this news first before we check the chart. Final week of the bear rally. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin highest weekly close since June fails to convince as volatility quickly enters with the start of new week. All right. Bitcoin enters a new week with a bang after sealing its highest weekly close since mid-June. Can the good times continue? Later, I'm going to show you S&P 500. Usually, Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto are following the traditional market. So if S&P 500 continues to rally, guys, we might see crypto follow the footsteps of S&P 500. After a volatile weekend, BTC managed to restrict losses into the later portion of the weekend to produce a solid green candle on the weekend. Where are we? Weekend. In what could shape up to be the last quiet week of summer, bulls have time on their hands in the absence of major macro market drivers involving United States Federal Reserve. Fundamental remains strong on Bitcoin, which is due to increase its mining difficulty for the second time in a row in the coming days. On derivatives, increase its mining difficulty. All right. On derivatives market, encouraging signs are also present with higher price levels accompanied by bullish data sentiment. Let's check. Let's go back first with the order book. Let's check the amount of long and short position here. We have max pain 24,700. 10,000 Bitcoin are waiting to short at 24,600 level, and we have long position until 23,630. Right, so that's the levels for Bitcoin. The question for holders now is thus how robust the rally is and whether it is just that, a bullish counter move within broader bear market. Cointelegraph presents 5 factors which may influence price this week and help decide on Bitcoin's next step. We have Andres Jaworski watching the stream right now. We have Da Vinci. Afternoon to you. Welcome to the live stream. At around 24,300, the August 14th weekly close was the best in 2 months for BTC USDT pair. The weekly chart show Rachel Firma. I'm a holder as well, but I got weak hands. I sold my Ethereum. I sold my Ethereum at 2,000 level. Bought it sub 1,000. Some are around 900-ish level, 1,000 up to 1,500. I have DCA'd into Ethereum and sold most of it at around 2,000, 1,987 yesterday. So I'm planning to buy back if we can get it cheaper. So, impressive move by 2022 gains sparked some volatility overnight into the first Wall Street trading day of the week. BTC continuing to hit 25,200 on exchanges before reversing noticeably under the weekly close. So if you have watched the previous stream, guys, I was watching the daily candle close for Bitcoin. Later I'm going to show you the chart, because that daily candle close was exactly where Bitcoin bounced back to 25,000, and from 25,000 that was the resistance or the top of the bear flag pattern, and that was actually a good short until now. I think Bitcoin is trading at 24,122, so that's more than 300% from $25,000. Such move characterized recent days, leading to little surprise for traders who continue to act continuously on shorter time frame. A new week began with bears stepping in, far retest some key levels. Popular trading account Crypto Tony summarized part of the latest Twitter on day. Once again, we should see an interesting week with price action been all over the shop on lower time frame. So one tweet here from Peter Chef. Just to put Bitcoin rally into perspective, take a look at this chart. The pattern remains very bearish. There's double. So look at this chart, guys. Looking at this tweet, let's check this out. So he is pointing out, just to put the Bitcoin rally into perspective, take a look at this chart. The pattern remains very bearish. There's both double topped. Here's double top and head and shoulders top. We have also head and shoulders top. There's a rising wedge. If here at around this area, there's a rising wedge pattern forming below the neckline. At minimum support, will be tested. So his target is 10,000. If you haven't watched my Bitcoin 2022 bottom price, I have posted it on Twitter, and you can also check out my previous video. I have discussed there my bottom price for Bitcoin and possible bottom date for Bitcoin this 2022. So feel free to check it out. All right, so let's continue. My DCA strategy is anything sub 25. Actually, we have some long-term portfolio as well in our VIP in Discord. So if you want to check it out, we have some long-term target there. And I am hodling 90% of my portfolio are for long-term, guys. So I have almost or doubled my Ethereum position. Sub 1,000 level. When I check the price yesterday in my hardware wallet, I actually saw that the price already doubled from my initial investment. So I have decided to sell some of it just in case we go lower, and just in case I can buy some cheaper Ethereum. I'm also waiting for the merge. This could be buy the rumor and sell the news as well, because what will be the next narrative after the merge? There will be the beacon chain there until December. So it's still very long, guys. It's very long process. And right now, Ethereum price, I think it's driven by FOMO because of the merge, and also some of the retails just wants to buy because they heard about the merge and how it will affect the price of Ethereum long term. Macro remains on a knife edge after last week United States inflation print. The coming 5 trading days look comparatively calm from a macro perspective. Moving forward, the CPI data on the following monetary policy decision are going to continue to paramount determining what happened next. Let's just continue and check. Note how prices pumped after each occasion. What occasion do we have here? We have difficulty due to second straight increase. All right, 4-month high. We have also the fear and greed index as discussed earlier. So overall, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's look at the chart, guys. Let's look at the chart. So here, this was the previous chart I have shared last Saturday. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys, if you like this kind of content. If you are with me in this journey, support the channel. All right, so in the previous stream, I have discussed last Saturday, what we have discussed is if Bitcoin daily candle close above this line here, $24,300, Bitcoin might revisit $25,000, and we have seen that Bitcoin have pumped to $25,000, drop back down, and then we have another very volatile candle here. Always supporting, bro. Thanks, Shams, for supporting the channel. Also, right now we have here bearish candles. We have this one bearish candle here. This is inverse hammer, and another one here looks like an evening star, and a lot of doji candle. This doji candle means that traders, bulls and bears, are undecisive. So this is undecisive candle. But if this daily candle continues to close below this line here, now this will be our level that we need to watch out. Let me delete this arrows here because this was the previous trade. So let me delete this. This is the level that we need to watch out right now. Here. How do I... Let me label this as well. Let me put the price. Price label. Here. 23,847.5 to be exact. So watch out for this level, guys. If Bitcoin, let me zoom it out. If Bitcoin daily candle closes below this, Bitcoin might revisit. We have some small support here, guys. So this will be the possible price action, just in case if Bitcoin trade below this area. So this will be a very crucial level. If the daily candle close below 23,847, we might see Bitcoin retest this breakout point here. Let me just, this one here, 23,400 area. We might get some consolidation here, but this will be the possible price action here. If daily candle close below this level, 23,850, Bitcoin might revisit the key level support at 22,600. This is a rock solid support, and Bitcoin have held the support several times. Let's check how many days. So previously, almost let me check, almost 1 month, 18 days right now, 18 days we have been trading above 22,600, which is the key level support for Bitcoin. And also, if Bitcoin breaks below the support, we might see Bitcoin revisit this previous support here, 20,000, and the next is $19,000. So these are the two key level support that we need to watch out. If you're going to look at the daily time frame, stochastic RSI, this is looking right now ready for a correction, so watch out for this level. Looking at the smaller time frame, we might get some volatility and some bounce, several bounce from this level. But overall, if you're going to check the daily time frame, if you're going to check the key level support and resistances, this is right now the key level support that you need to watch out. Daily candle close below this, Bitcoin might revisit this level, 22,600, which is the key level support as well. In the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, we might get some small bounce because RSI is in the oversold area. Also, if you're going to check the 1-hour time frame, RSI is ready to bounce. Also, MACD is about to bounce but got rejected here. So we might see some consolidation in this area. Here, that's what you can see. Let's check how many percent is this. Almost 2%. So if you would like to trade this smaller time frame, you have your levels here. You can trade this. If you want to trade the smaller time frame, you can do some swing trade in here. Here we have support, bounce back up, back to support, bounce back up. Right now, this could revisit the support, bounce back up. But eventually, this is going to break out to the upside or break out to the downside. But right now, this will be the trading range for Bitcoin. This is around 1.5%. Always supporting. We have also Rashad watching. Yesterday, there was a sandstorm and I went out. So I have like, I have this itchy nose right now. So bear with me, guys. Let's move on to Ethereum, guys. So those are the key levels for Bitcoin that you need to watch out. Let's check the Fibonacci level if you're interested. Let's check first. Daily time frame will be okay, I think, or 4-hour time frame. Let's check 4-hour time frame. What will be the possible Fibonacci retracement level for Bitcoin? So we'll check. Let's check extension first. We have very clear extension. Fibonacci extension. So Bitcoin have reached until 61%. Didn't reach the ideal target, which is around 78.6%, but almost very near. And let's check now the Fibonacci retracement will be the possible. So ideal retracement, guys, if this will hold, this is in confluence with our Fibonacci level. My chart is very untidy. So 50%, this will be the ideal level for retracement, guys. 50%, 61.8% is already critical. So if Bitcoin's price drops below 61.8% based on Fibonacci retracement level and closes below this, we might see a price reversal. So right now, this is still in an overall uptrend, guys. We have higher lows and higher highs. But if this Fibonacci retracement level, if Bitcoin's price fall and close below 61.8, we might see a trend reversal. But right now, it is still trading at around this level. So this yellow area here, or this 3 Fibonacci levels, are the sweet spot for Fibonacci retracement. So usually, if the chart is in the overall uptrend, this is where you can enter a long position. At around 50 will be ideal for most of the chart. But if it's still like, if it's moving like parabolic, usually you can enter at around 38.2. Let's check this level here just to show you the how effective is the Fibonacci retracement. It's very, let me just delete it first just to show you very clearly. So here, let's try it here. So here we have the 50 level. Exactly, the 50 level have held a very good long position here, Fibonacci retracement level in an overall uptrend. Another one, let's check this one here. Here, it reached around 61.8, but managed to bounce back up, still in this level, in this range here. The 3 yellow lines, 38.2, 50%, and 61%. Let's check now this smaller time frame here. So right now, this is still trading at around 38.2, 50%, and 61%. So this will be the key level support. So if Bitcoin trade and bounce back up, it should be within this range, guys, within this range. If Bitcoin price falls below this level, this could be a signal for a trend reversal. So watch out for Fibonacci retracement level. Trading below 61.8 and closing below 61.8 or dropping below 78.6 will be a signal for trend reversal. Right now, this is still, if you're going to zoom out, this is still in an overall uptrend. We have our trend line. still overall uptrend, right? So if you want to short, like for bigger time frame, like if you want to short Ethereum from 2000 up to 1400, 1200 level, you need to wait for the signal for possible trend reversal, right? So that's for Bitcoin. We have consumed a lot of time explaining the Fibonacci level there. So going back to Ethereum, guys, Ethereum similar in the daily time frame. RSI is ready for a correction. Also MACD is about to correct, and as what you can see, Ethereum has been rejected from the top resistance trend line here. We have a rising wedge, and looks like Ethereum is about to break out from its rising wedge pattern. And I have with me here the Fibonacci retracement level in the daily time frame. Let's check. Let's consider this. This could be the swing low here. So let's consider this one here in the daily time frame. All right. So right now, Ethereum is in a very, is this correct? Let me double check. Again. And, where's the last candle wick? Right, one sec. We have our swing low here. $38.2, 50%, and 61. So this could be the key level that we need to watch out. In the daily time frame is 1740. If you are looking out for a possible trend reversal. And also, not only the Fibonacci retracement level, also you need to check out we have the support trend line here. We have the rising wedge. Ethereum got rejected on top of the wedge, which is the typical price action for the rising wedge, and this will be the start. TA wise, this could be the start of a trend reversal here. Rejection on top of the rising wedge could be the signal of a possible trend reversal, and the target of this will be the bottom of the wedge, which is around this area here, $1,440. This white line, white support, 1,440. So that's for Ethereum. Also watch out for the daily candle close. Let's check the lower time frame so we can see the here. Let's check out this one. In the 1 hour time frame, looks like Ethereum, similar here. Ethereum, we have a fake out here. So Ethereum looks like a breaking out from the support trend line, and right now is on the process. See here, if you're going to zoom in, we have a breakout, retest of support, previous support turned into a resistance, possibly got rejected right now here. But let's wait for the daily candle close. If daily candle close, this will be the level. Let's check, important level here for Ethereum. This level here will be the formation of possible break of trend here. This orange level, this one here, $1,866. If Ethereum daily candle close below this level, orange line. Let me put a price level. This is the key level support that we need to watch out, because this is going to form a lower low compared to this level here. This will be a very important support. So if Ethereum daily candle close, or if any candle in the daily time frame closes below this support, we could see Ethereum revisit the previous lows. Or first we have some very here guys, make it clear. Have all these lines here. Breakout point also, this is a strong support here, support also on here. All right, so possible price action, guys. Let me just put an arrow here. Possible price action, we could see a bounce from here, possible continuation of trend if this will hold. But if Ethereum price falls below, candle close below this, then we could see Ethereum revisit this support here, red line. This is a strong support, so this will be the first support that you need to watch out. If Ethereum continues to break down, this could be the next possible price target. So for now, this will be our trading range, guys. Watch out for this key level support, this orange line. If you want to set a long position, if you want to risk, if you're betting that Ethereum could still go up, this could be a good entry point here, this orange line. But right now, this is still looking very weak in the daily time frame. If you can see the stochastic RSI, this is ready to correct, and eventually, guys, this stochastic RSI is going to revisit the oversold area here. This is going to revisit the oversold area. Right now, Ethereum is just hovering in the daily time frame, hovering on this level, on top half of this stochastic RSI. But eventually, this is going to revisit the oversold area. All right. So I think. Can you check ADA too? How many minutes right now? 37 minutes. Let me put a time. 30 seconds. Oh, my time is not working. All right, so let's check ADA. Last chart before we end the stream. One request here from Rachel Firma. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Ethereum still holding this line since morning. Let's check ADA, guys. And one more thing. Let me show this chart to you. S&P 500, this was discussed last Thursday, guys, and this is already trying to break out from the resistance trend line here. So next possible price target, if this continues to move up, S&P 500, Bitcoin will likely, and most of the crypto will likely to follow S&P 500. But if you're going to check the stochastic RSI, this is already in the overbought area and it's ready for a correction. And also, not only that, S&P 500 is already here. If you're going to just adjust it here, S&P 500 is already on the resistance level, guys, on the resistance level. See here, on the resistance level. So we might see a correction, and these are the levels that we need to watch out for S&P 500. This could be a very important level. If S&P 500 bounce back from this, still the rally can still continue. But if S&P 500 drop below this level here, 78.6, we might see a trend reversal, and Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto could follow S&P 500. For now, S&P 500 is almost on the resistance level. Stochastic RSI overbought area, ready for a correction. We have also this level here, resistance level. So watch out for S&P 500 because crypto, Bitcoin follows the traditional market. Let's check ADA. One last chart before we end the stream. Let me test this one. If it's working, not working, all right. So ADA, where's my ADA chart? ADA here. I have too much. ADA still trading and following this trend line, guys. And also stochastic RSI in the daily time frame is in the overbought area, similar with Ethereum, similar with Bitcoin, similar with S&P 500. So this week could be the last final week before we get a correction, not only for S&P 500 but also for the rest of the crypto. And also not only that, stochastic RSI in the overbought area, but also most of the charts, Bitcoin on top have hit the top of the bear flag pattern, resistance trend line. Ethereum also have hit the top of the resistance trend line here, also the top of the wedge, which is the typical point where the correction happened for the rising wedge. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So let's check if this is going to play out. Also for ADA, we have our resistances here, white lines. Let me change this to a resistance level. We have zone resistance here for ADA. And we have our support trend line, which is ADA is following. If you're going to check the lower time frame, this is a very good point to long ADA near the support trend line. Here, if you're following our live stream daily, I have pointed this out when ADA was trading at around this area here. So we have support, breakout, retest of support, breakout, or approaches the resistance level here. Again, got rejected, revisited near the support, another pump here, revisited the support, another pump. Right now, I think this is on its way to retest the support here. So levels that you need to watch out will be 0.53 for ADA. Let's also check the Fibonacci level. So here, lower time frame, 1 hour time frame. This will be our reference here. So this is in confluence. Support trend line is in confluence with 61.8 level, which is the ideal entry for Fibonacci retracement. Trading below this, or ADA failing to hold the support, or trading below 61.8 and falling below 78.6 could signal a trend reversal. That's what you can see here. This is in confluence with the support trend line, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Ideal if you want to enter long position, stop loss just below this level here. All right, so that's for ADA. But if you want to enter short, wait for the break of trend. So if you see, watch also for the price action. So if you see ADA have flashed a big red candle, You don't enter long position when you see a big red candle. You wait for a retest. You can enter short position here. And by the way, guys, all the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, so for ADA, watch out. Don't enter when you see a big red candle. Wait for a retest of support, then you can enter short position here. But if ADA approaches this support trend line slowly and consolidate here, then that's the time you can enter long position, and possible ADA might retest this resistance level here. Eventually, this is going to make a decision. It's either going to break out to the upside or break down and revisit this previous low here. Major support 0.41. But that is a longer time frame target. All right. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.